Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Masse Art Studios. I'm Jeremy, and as you can see, there's no Lee. That's because he's in California working right now, so it's all on my shoulders. But I have a really good episode in store for you. I got this idea from Jessica Winterstrom from Winterstrom Art, who's amazing, and I love her technique, and it's super hard. And I just can't wait to try this. So we're gonna see what happens. I'll be using a lot of new piggies that they just released. The colors that I'm gonna be using I think are really gonna be gorgeous. So let's get to the table and see what it's about. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It means the world to us. We just hit 20,000 subscribers and it made our day. It's so incredible. Thank you so much for following us and for watching. All right, let's do it. Hey guys, it's Jeremy here, and I'm super excited about today's pour. I'm trying something different. As you heard in the intro, I love Jessica, and I just love what she produces. Like, her artwork's amazing. So I'm going to try to channel that amazing energy and composition that she gets on all of her paintings. So we're gonna see. I'm using Bare Interior Satin Enamel 7750 Ultra Pure White for my base. I'm using Amsterdam's Light Gold. And I'm using Pebio's, this is Iridescent Blue Green. And I'm also using Amsterdam Lamp Black. And then I'm using something really fun. I'm using this Bloodstone, this little piggy. It's the new color that they have out. It's amazing, you guys. I'm also using another one of their new colors. This is Black Forest. I mean, it's stunning. And I'm using another one of their new colors. This is called Burnt Sierra. And this one was for Kathleen Osmore of Cause Creations. I can't wait to use this. So let's get started. I have my palette knife and I have this little flat thingy here. So I'm going to pour some of this onto my canvas here. Let's see. I know she pours a lot. There we go. Okay, so I want a lot on there because whenever I spin it, I want it all to spread out. So maybe I should pour a little bit more. All right. Okay, there's my pillow. I hope it doesn't go off the edges. All right, so now I'm going to take this Iridescent Blue Green by Pebio, and which I mixed with the what I mixed with my base that I use for my piggies. So it's house paint, it's Josanya, and because I wanted to keep everything the same. So I'm going to pour some on my, and then I'm going to let this drag across the top of my, I think I might want just a little bit more of that. So we're gonna go just like this. All right. Put that back in the cup. Now that I got that down, I am going to put down some other colors here. I think I'm going to start with the Bloodstone. So We're gonna see how this works in here. And I think I'm going to just drizzle this back and forth on top of here. Put some more. There we go. Okay, we got that bloodstone on there, and it never ceases to fail. Every single time we go to film, the lawnmower starts in a neighbor's yard. So I think I'm gonna go in next with the Black Forest. Stir that up a little bit. All right, let's see here. And this is dark. It's so pretty though. I love it. And then last, we have the we have this burnt Sierra, which I think is just going to look amazing on this. All right. Okay, so now that we have those three going, now I'm going to take a little bit of my cell activator, and I'm going to drizzle this on my palette knife here. Get this all over my palette knife. Okay, so I got it on my palette knife. Now I'm going to just rake it over. Whoops. Well. Do a little bit more, maybe less on the palette knife this time because I think it just ran right off. But let's do this. All right. I'm really loving what's happening. Now I'm going to use gold cell activator, this light gold, and I'm going to come up, maybe come up through here. That didn't seem to be as active as, oh yeah, it did. It's starting to lace and sell. I'm going to pull some of this off here. And let's stretch this part out here. I like what's happening there. Maybe pull this out a little bit. This is all experimentation. Okay, so let's see what happens whenever I spin this bad boy out. I'm liking how it's opening up. This is so cool. This is really cool, you guys. I love all the lacing and everything that I'm getting. I love these piggies that are just like popping everywhere. I think I need to do one more thing, but I think I want to do that. All right, so let's spin this out some more. So cool. But I think there's still a lot of paint on this canvas, so I think I have to spin it out even more. So let's see here. There's so many things that I'm loving about this painting, you guys. I love all the movement in it. That burnt Sierra is incredible. It just really just pops. And that bloodstone is amazing in here too. I'm loving these. So I think I'm done, you guys. I'm gonna take you guys in for a close-up so you can see what I'm seeing, but I'm loving this. All right, guys. So there you have it. Wow. I don't even know what to think about it. Like, I really love it. It's a little chaotic, but I like that whole chaos thing. And I think when it dries, it's gonna dry really beautifully. And I'll have to show you guys on Friday what it looks like. So there's Tate. Tate! Ringing the bell to go outside. So I can't wait to show you that on Friday's episode, which I will definitely be showing you. Like I said, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We have Fluid Art with Friends coming up in a couple of weeks. That's exciting. And you'll be hearing some news soon about the Fluid Art experience. So hold on to your seats for that one. I need to go. I gotta let him outside. Thanks, guys. See you later. Bye.